Alltag Corporation is an American manufacturer of 8.2 megahertz radio frequency labels and a leading supplier for all other electronic article surveillance products designed to help retail stores decrease shoplifting. The company was founded in 1992 and is one of 2 global manufacturers of radio frequency labels. Alltag specializes in helping retailers launch successful source tagging programs or improve their existing ones for all types of retail merchandise, including hard goods and apparel. Alltag provides source tagging services and the necessary RF and AM tags, or labels, to some of the world's largest retailers, as well as their source tagging vendors. Alltag has the manufacturing flexibility to quickly customize RF and AM labels, hard tags, and ink tags with company logos, warnings, and special messages. This further sets Alltag apart from the competition. With their product manufacturing facility in Boca Raton, Florida, and inventory warehouses in the United Kingdom and Hong Kong, Alltag can always quickly deliver standard and custom orders to their customers anywhere in the world.